Hi friends, welcome to the Data Ki Pathshala. My name is Amit and today we will discuss about how can we create the KPI matrix visual. KPI matrix visual is nothing but it's one of the KPI important visual in Power BI that told the how far uh, we have done as per our target set or how long we have reached as per our target. So you can see that here I have created a one KPI visual as for sales target, and you can see the current sales target is 45,694 and target was 45,000. So we have achieved 1.5% more in this month. So this kind of visual is called a KPI visual. So this is a very important and very um, crucial visual in Power BI. So let's start. How can we create this? How can we create this? Yeah. First of all, KPI visual required a three field. If you can see, if I click on KPI visual, this is the KPI visual. Let's click on this, and three field required by KPI visual. One is visual value, second one is trend axis, and third one is target. Value is self understood that you have to put the value which you are considering. Here in this case 45,600 is the value, right? And what is trend axis? Trend axis is something on which parameter you are calculating the target versus actual. If you are calculating for calculating 45,694 on the basis of what? So this is the base where you have to put down drag and drop in trend axis, and the third and last is target. You can set your target. So for example, let's drag and drop in value, click on add sales amount. Then we can pick sales amount from fact and trend sales. Now trend axis. So I want to calculate the monthly on the basis of month. So I can search order date, and you can see in order date there is a date hierarchy, and in which we are in the year showing quarter, month and day. So I can choose month. Okay. So by choosing the month, you can see that the sum of sales amount in a month can be displayed here, and this is in the background you can see the trend over the months, the how sales amount is happening over the months, right? So let's click the target. I have note down some target for this visual, so click on that. So I have set some little target. I can adjust my target. Yeah, I can adjust my target by putting here. So I can so this is how realistic target is looks like. No, this is not realistic. Yeah, now this is very realistic target. So in target field you can set some average value also, some median value also, and whatever you can use measure as a target. This is up to you. Now I can set some formatting. Here I can set sales trend, sales trend, right? I can background, change background and horizontal. So this is how we can create the KPI visual. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned a lot. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.